Okay, one was printed at 250 and one was printed at 210, which is probably lower than what I would go. But the 250 one, there you go. Okay. 210, much nicer. Okay, now let's show how flexible it is. So I don't see a problem there. Here's the use, right? I mean, it holds this thing together. I'll show you. Hold on. So you can see in use, it does get flexed. And that clips right in there. And that keeps those from coming apart. Okay. So at any rate, yeah, there's some, that little lip there is difficult for it. But even the bottom and edges, you know, there's nothing clean about it. Now, it was brand new persimmon, but it's possible it's wet. I need to get a dryer and try drying it out. But, you know, that was my results. And squeezing it, you know, it's, I can see that it's strong too. So anyhow, that's my results.